right around the corner in the jail. He was arrested in August of 2003. And when his family couldn't find out where he was, they wouldn't even tell him that they had him in the jail. He was kept secretly in the jail. And the next thing they know, he's dead. So here was a man who did not get his medications, that he needed to take, and he was kept in the jail for I think about a week. Several people have died in custody around the corner in the jail. The jail's on the other side. The police department's on this side. Several people have died in custody. Someone died just a few months ago. It's hard to get information about these people. You might see a little blip in the newspaper if you happen to read the newspaper that day. But if you don't read the newspaper that day, then you are not going to find out about it. They cover up the deaths of these people who are killed in custody. Not only are people shot to death on the streets, they are killed over here in the jail. I want to stop right now. We've had people from many parts of the country come here. We have been joined by some people from Chicago. Right. We've been saying, stop police brutality, prosecute the cops. What happens in this place when the police kill people, they are never prosecuted. Now the police officer who was responsible for the car accident in which Dolores Epson and Kayla Ross were killed, yeah, he was fired, but the DA has refused to prosecute. They never prosecute. It's always justifiable homicide. All right? That's why we say stop police murder, prosecute the cops. They get away with it. They have a gun, they have a badge, they just go and do what they do, and they get away with it. That goes on in this city. There's never any prosecution, at least there hasn't been in recent times. No cops have been prosecuted for killing. Now, they may prosecute a police officer for DUI. You had several officers last year, police officers, who were arrested for driving under the influence. They'll prosecute them for something like that. Okay? They're not going to prosecute them for killing people. They do not. None of the people, the cases that happened, at least the 13 cases that happened earlier, none of those officers were prosecuted. All right? What they do is they pay them, they go on administrative leave, they collect their full salary, they sit at home or wherever 2 or 3 months, then the investigation is concluded, and they go back to work. They haven't missed any money. They still get paid. They can just, be on paid vacation. There's a lot of people who work other jobs. You don't get paid for being on vacation. If you're not on vacation, you don't get paid. So we have a serious problem here. The police officers get away with murder. They are not prosecutors. Right? We would like to take time now. We did have people from other cities who came out to join us speak, but we have been joined by some people from Chicago, Illinois. And of course, Chicago's a big city, much bigger than Memphis, and they got a problem there with police brutality. Although my understanding is, even in Chicago last year, they didn't kill as many people as they killed in Memphis. And we have a family member today of someone, his sister was shot to death in cold blood by a police officer. She was walking down the street, minding her own business. And I think he's here today, or someone else is from the family from the Chicago area is here. And we would ask you to come forward now, introduce yourself, and explain what happened in that case. Who's going to do that? You can just talk.
Hello. My name is Ervin. Last year, March 21st, 2012, my sister Rakil Boyd was shot in the head by a Chicago police detective in his personal vehicle. All she